welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and today is part 2 of my subscribers styling me. Super excited, and of course all the businesses that we're supporting are small businesses, and today is Miss Jade from Lavender Haze LA on Depop. Before we get opening anything, I want to take you through her Depop and through her Instagram just to give you an idea of the process on how to order a bundle, because she has a crap ton of bundles, and it's everywhere between bundles based off TV characters, like celebrities, style icons, like different type of aesthetics. So she offers a variety of bundles. She's giving you major options. So let's go through her Depop right now. The bunnies are there, but we're just gonna cover them a little bit, and I'll pull up her Depop. She is at Lavender Haze LA. As I'm scrolling here, you just see style bundle after style bundle after style bundle. So let's just click one right now. We'll click one under each. And under new bundles, we have Jawbreaker Inspired Mystery Bundle. She includes a lot of pictures for reference as far as, you know, her inspiration for each look. And it looks like each bundle comes with a full outfit, items to mix and match, 2 to 3 jewelry pieces, an accessory to finish the look. So sunglasses, purse, or a scarf. Let's go down into style icon. So we have an Elle Woods Inspired Mystery Bundle. That is super cute. Automatically, I'm thinking like pink aesthetic bundle. Let's choose one there. We'll just choose, this one. Okay, so it looks like I clicked into Dark Academia Inspired Mystery Bundle. So we see a lot of pleats, trousers, oversized sweaters, turtlenecks, plaid. Her process on how to order a bundle is through Depop, and she also sends you a quiz. So I'm not gonna lie, but quizzes and questionnaires like this kind of overwhelm me because it's a lot of questions, and they're, you know, they really want you to be specific so they can narrow down your style. And for me, who I've mentioned this again and again, guys, but I don't have a very specific style, so answering these questions was a little tricky for me, but I'll take you through the questionnaire now and let you know what I answered. So the first question she begins with is the style or the muse aesthetic that you're requesting. I pretty much said,
my style is all over the place and I'm open to silhouettes and styles, but I don't really have any muse or style aesthetic to replicate.
My favorite colors to wear, I said pink, red, any pastels. I don't like to wear the colors black, navy, or gray, so any dark colors. What I'd really like to add to my closet is any textured piece. The next thing is I have enough. I just said basics. Y'all know that I love color, I love bold, I love statement pieces. So I just said, don't give me any basics. I feel most comfortable wearing bold statement pieces, no surprise. I don't like wearing low rise bottom, plunging necklines, and bodycon dresses. She does have you upload your favorite looks from your muse. I actually didn't include any just because I was working from my phone, so if I were to exit out of this quiz, it was gonna delete everything that I had answered. The next thing says, I'd steal this Instagrammer's closet. I really like this question. I thought it was really fun, so just keep in mind that if you're gonna buy a bundle, have a few options of who you look to as far as style icons. I decided to go with Kiki Yang's just because, ooh, her fashion style is so up there. Her color use, her makeup looks, totally an inspiration for me. The last thing is that I know that you guys are super interested in the process of how to pull pieces for bundles. So she actually has a video on her entire process on how she does this. So I'm gonna leave it linked down below. So we've got the bundle here. It is $95 with free shipping. If you're international, she does charge $15, and it takes her about a week or 2 to pull items and then ship everything out. So not too bad. Can't wait to start opening this up. The packaging, because it's a box and it's cardboard, it is pretty strong. I don't see very much damage to it, but let's look inside now. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, let's see. So it looks like it reinforced the top here. I'll just pull that off. Oh. And right off the bat, I'm seeing white. Ooh, some prints. Some pink, what is this actually? Oh, I think it's just tissue paper. Okay, let's see, pastels, yes, love that. Wow, it looks like there's a lot in this box. Okay, let's start off with, what do you guys want to start off with? Maybe accessories? Let's do that. So, ooh, I'm already loving the color coordination to this. Okay, oh my gosh. So this is what really captured my attention because it's pink, it's my favorite color. And this is where we have all the goodies in here, you guys. So it looks like we have the accessory, a lot of like cards or stickers they might be. Okay, let's just get to looking. So at the very top, we have these sunglasses. Oh my God, these are so cute. Okay, and so here is where we have like stickers. So thank you for supporting my small business. Love that. Oh my God, what is this? Oh, it's a postcard. You guys see this? I'll show you guys a close-up of this later. And yeah, it looks like the rest of these are actually postcards. And then what came with them are these red socks. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these. So here's the first piece. It's a cute mini skirt, denim construction. I love this colorway. It's a little muted for my taste, but it's still super freaking cute. Okay, let's pull from the top here, and we've got, ooh, okay. This looks like a very, like, kind of gives me Victorian vibes. But we've got this blouse here. It's a white top, and it has this, like, black, what is this, like, crochet trim here on the waist and contrast buttons. Very cute, and does seem to have, are these like puff sleeves here a little bit? Ooh, I'm excited about this because of the color. We have a Jean-Pierre sweater. It's just rib knit construction. Very comfy, a good layering piece too. Ooh, what is this? This looks so cute. Oh my gosh, this is a tube top. I absolutely love this top. Okay, you guys know that I'm obsessed with anything that has like a waist tight closure because you can easily just cinch your waist, give yourself a little bit more figure, a little bit more silhouette. So love this. It is a tube top. The only thing I'm worried about is, are the girls gonna fit and is this gonna slip off? But it also has a shark bite hem, and then the construction of this is entirely lace. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh my gosh, we have a vest. Okay, this vest here is a little out of my comfort zone, and I think it might be the floral embroidery that gives it a little bit more of a granny vintage touch, which I'm slowly trying to get into, but definitely taking me out of my comfort zone. And so we have this vest here. I wouldn't even know how to style this. Definitely layer up, I think. Ooh, we've got our accessory. I love this. It's definitely more of like a street style contemporary look. We have a little buckle, it's white, and it's a mini. I've never had a mini purse before, so this feels just super trendy. And it does have like this extendable chain. Oh, are you supposed to wear it over the shoulder? Oh, okay, I get it. That's cute too, I love this. I see paisley print, I see a halter neck or a high neck, so let's see what this is. Ooh, I love this piece. Okay, so we have a sleeveless shirt. It does have more of a high neck. Look at this paisley print. Oh yes, and this colorway, it does have a crisscross back. Ooh, it's another tube top. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this one because it does look like super fancy and elegant, but I love that it's velvet and it has this lace detail right on the front. Is this sheer? Oh my gosh, you guys, it is sheer, so it's not lined in the back. So we're gonna be showing some skin. Ooh, this next piece here seems very summery. What is this? Lemons? Oranges? Oranges. It's bright. It's like funky with this all over print that I'm pretty sure it's oranges. You guys see oranges? Yeah, I think it's oranges. But the last piece of clothing that we have in the box is another mini skirt, which I love. It kind of almost feels soft, but tweed. I don't really know what this fabric is, but it is mini. It does look to be a high waist. Okay, so we are at the bottom of the box, but now we have all these accessories. We've got, is this a bath bomb? It says Mon Chéri, and this is a little cherry, I was gonna say flavor, a cherry scent. Oh my gosh, you guys, these accessories look so freaking cute. So I have two pouches right here, and they're just full of, I see earrings, hair accessories. Here are all the little goodies that she included. This is just a crap ton of stuff, but you can see that she offers different types of things with the postcards, the hair clips, the earrings, the sunglasses, the chokers, and the bath bomb. Ugh, obsessed with all of it. We already hit the bottom of the box here, and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be putting together outfits with what she gave me, but I'm just gonna go ahead and style them. There's nothing left to do but try on this clothes. Okay guys, so here we have that tube top. Not gonna lie, but I had a really hard time styling this piece just because I've never had anything like this in my wardrobe before, but I decided to take more of a casual route. So I decided to go with these light wash Tommy Hilfiger jeans. They're super distressed and they're like one of my favorite pair of jeans ever. I got them at the bins. And then we are playing with these clear shoes just because we have a lot of silver detailing here. We've got the cinched waist with the tie back, and then I just love that it's so like feminine and flirty because of the shark bite hem. I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer just so that we can take a look at this top. So you can see it's like totally lace construction. We've got that silver detailing right on the waist. Here we have this top. It is my favorite out of the entire box, and it's this paisley print with a high neck. You guys, look at this flirty back. Oh, love that. And so I decided to pair it with some black trousers that have a really cool lace-up detail and some little cute heels. Yes, love this fit. I'm taking you closer so you can check out this top because it's so freaking cute. So we have the paisley print. It does have that high halter neck. Look at this back. Yes, love it. And so it actually is a little bit longer, but I wanted it to be a little cropped, so it's super easy to roll up. And it does have a really stretchy, like kind of spandexy type material to it. So it's very flattering, hugs the body. Yes. Love this. We've got this tube top right here. Immediately when I pulled it out of the box, I thought, oh no, it looks fancy. I'm not very fancy, so how do I make it a little bit more casual? And I had to go with some jeans. I've been living in these denim shorts literally every day of summer, and so they're super comfy. Definitely toned the fit down just a little bit more, and then we're playing with these purple boots that I think are so freaking awesome to just draw out more purple from the top. Bringing you in to show off this top. So we do have this really cool lace detail right in the center. You can see my skin poking right through. I did mention that I do like sheer constructed things. It does have a little bit of light padding, so it really does help the little girls and just keeps everything in place. And I'll unbutton this a little bit just so you can see all this gathered ruche detailing. I think it's very pretty, and that's what I think made it look super elegant and fancy. Ooh, you guys, I'm feeling low-key like a little romantic. Look at this top. It just does so much to shape the body, and I say it all the time, I know, but my body is very like straight. I've got no curves, no butt, no boobs, and so anytime we're playing with, you know, a silhouette, I'm here for it. And so this lace detail on the waist, yes. And I know it's a button-up shirt, but I just think it looks a little bit more flirty, leaving the top a little unbuttoned and the bottom. Also, can we rave about these corduroy pants? Because they're Reformation, and I got them at Goodwill for only $7. So I thought that was such a good steal. Let me bring you in to show off this top. This detail here on the waist, love it. The contrast buttons, obsessed with it. The back does have smock detailing, so it does really hug the body. But overall, I think it is so freaking adorable. Ooh, when I say that I had trouble styling this vest, I had some trouble styling this vest. So this is definitely not my style. Very, very much taking me out of my comfort zone. And when I put this together, Arthur was like, oh, you look like a traveling bohemian person. And I was like, I will take it because I don't know how else to style this. So coming in just to show you more of this print, it does look more like florals here on the top. Definitely a little bit of flower detailing here. And it's just overall really pretty color. I like the tones, definitely more fall. And so it's a good transition piece to be wearing right now. Look at this color. I am like shining, I'm super bright, kind of a highlighter color. This dress isn't very figure accentuating, so I definitely had to belt it. So I decided to just put one on that had more of a geometric shape to them. So we have like a square, circle, and it just alternates. So pairing them together cinches the waist with these boots. Yes, super cute. Love this fit. Okay guys, here we have this mini skirt. I think it is super cute, but I will admit it is a little tight. The waist fits really nicely, but there is no stretch to it. And you know, with the quarantine, I've been snacking. My hips are getting a little bit bigger, and so it does fit a little tight around the hips. But either way, I think it's still very cute. It is a little bit more like figure hugging, so definitely more sexy. So I thought, okay, we gotta do a cowl neck with it, and of course with some high boots. Yes. So let's come closer so you guys can see this construction. It is very soft. Kind of gives me like, I don't know, does this make sense? Like it's the fabric of a couch. And it is woven construction, so there is absolutely no stretch, no give. Overall, really like this fit. So this fit here, we actually have 3 pieces. We have the sweater, this mini skirt, and again, we were playing with those red socks. And I kind of feel like, because it's so color coordinated with these nautical colors of white, red, and blue, that it gives more of a fit that you would wear to 4th of July. So here is the skirt close up, and just stripes all around. Cut of it and the fit, yes. That pretty much does it for all the pieces in Jade's mystery box. Let's go ahead and talk about my final thoughts. Okay guys, let's talk about final thoughts about Jade's mystery box because I really loved almost all the pieces. The only piece that I was kind of on the fence is the vest. So I don't hate it, but I also don't love it. I am gonna say that I like it, but it's a very new piece to me. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I do think that it really just depends on how you style it. Let's talk about the 3 items that I absolutely loved. And the first thing are the socks. oh, super stretchy. I love that it's a bold color. We only got one dress and I absolutely love it. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I'm glad that it's a new addition. Last piece that I absolutely loved is this paisley top. Ooh, definitely Y2K. It's what I'm super into right now. It's very trendy. I love that it's stretch construction. And even if you're feeling a little bit bloated, it stretches with you. So overall, very comfortable. My overall rating for Jade's box is gonna be a 10 out of 10. I was not disappointed whatsoever. I love that she took me out of my comfort zone. She offered a wide variety of different styles. Just from everything that she provided in the box, you can definitely tell that she has a wide variety of clothing and styles. And so she can really execute any box that you're looking for. So if you want to get a mystery box for yourself, hit her up on Depop. She is at Lavender Haze LA. If you also hit her up on Instagram, she is at ardent.angel. She posts a lot of her fits on there, so you can capture more of her style through her Insta. The video where she shows the process of putting together all these mystery bundles, I will also link down below. But Jade, thank you so much for sending over this mystery box. I absolutely loved all the pieces. As always, guys, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!